Welcome to Your Friend the Cook's Funhouse, featuring family favorite meals by SJ. It's SJ's Funhouse. Here is today's ingredient list for SJ's Honey Hoisin Chicken Wings. My family loves these wings and I make them for them often. It's simple and quick, but the flavors are bold and tasty. A first look at our ingredients. For today, we've got some chicken wings already cleaned, minced garlic, onion powder, ginger powder, adobo, sesame oil, soy sauce, turmeric, and later we'll need some honey and hoisin. We're going to season our wings, so in goes the sesame oil, the turmeric, ginger powder, onion powder, adobo, and finally the minced garlic. With clean hands, I'll massage the seasonings in. When the chicken is well coated in the seasonings, then we'll add the soy sauce. Remember, tamari is a great gluten-free substitute for soy sauce if you prefer. Mix it all together until the chicken is well coated. The goal is to really get those flavors incorporated. When you're done, let the chicken marinate for an hour or so. Then, pop them in the air fryer until you reach your desired cook on the wings. My air fryer was not in a convenient place for filming, but here's a quick look at those wings. And when they came out, they were perfect, golden, and brown. Here they are. We have our honey and our hoisin sauce, so let's get to it. First, we're going to add in that honey. And then we're going to pour in that hoisin. I love a good hoisin sauce. Put a lid on that and a little shake, shake, shake to get the honey and hoisin evenly spread on the wings. Alright, now let's pop that lid and check them out. Look at that wing. I'm gonna try one. They smell so good. They're crunchy. Wow. A little scallion for garnish, and these look amazing. Voila. Remember, these wings pair perfectly with my fried rice recipe. Check it out. Doesn't that look amazing? This recipe does not miss. So the next time you want to impress the family, hit them with this flavor bomb combo. It's SJ's Funhouse. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.